Welcome to a short scoring guide to first robotics game LogoMotion for the 2011 season, brought to you by Team 3003, Tanks Robotics. In this video, we will address the basics of tube scoring for your better understanding. A video on the mini-bot race will be coming soon. To begin, here we see an example of the regulation scoring pegs, the ends of which have been colored for ease of view. Row 1 is colored green, row 2 is colored blue, and row 3 is colored red. Each of the logo piece tubes is worth 1 point in the first row. In most of the following scenarios, we will use the red triangle for a logo piece example, but keep in mind that the circle and square logo pieces are interchangeable. Here we see a red triangle logo piece placed on a first row scoring peg is worth 1 point. In the second row, it is worth 2 points. And in the third row, it is worth 3 points. The Uber tubes are worth twice the value of logo pieces and earn 2 points in the first row. Keep in mind that Uber tubes only apply to the autonomous score, and logo pieces only apply to the teleoperated score, also known as the peg score. These two values are added with the race score from the mini-bot race at the end of the match to bring the team to a final score. Here we see an Uber tube placed on a first row scoring peg is worth 2 points. In the second row, it is worth 4 points, and in the third row, it is worth 6 points. Here we see an Uber tube placed on the first row, as shown before, earning the team 2 points in the autonomous scoring section of the game. When a logo piece is stacked on top of the Uber tube during the normal gameplay period, its score is doubled for the teleoperated scoring turn. This means the triangle piece is now worth 2 points in the first row, 4 points in the second row, and 6 points in the third row. Here we see 3 logo pieces on the first row, each normally being worth 1 point. Assembling the first robotics logo, triangle, circle, square, effectively doubles the peg score for the entire row. This means the score for the entire row is now 6 points as opposed to 3. In the second row, the first logo is worth 12 points, and in the third row, 18. Stacking the first logo with Uber tubes produces the highest possible scoring combination in the game, including the mini-bot race. Here we see 3 Uber tubes in the third row. This is no easy task considering each robot in the alliance successfully placed its tube on the uppermost peg. This gives the team 18 points for their autonomous score, which is the maximum. The first logo is normally worth 18 points on the top row, but when stacked on top of all Uber tubes, its value is doubled to 36. Team 3003 and its sponsors hope you found this video helpful to your understanding of this game's scoring system. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to contact us, as we are always happy to help in the spirit of first. Good luck in the upcoming season.